Hello everyone. To open SX Programmer is standard app software to run PLC program. For doing PLC programming, please go through this video and have look how to run this software. First you open this software. You can see this software is open. Just you can open it by just double clicking or by selecting option key button, then go to the file option, there select new project. A new dialog box will open. In that dialog box, please choose one dedicated SP, that is NWOP20. This is we have to select this one. After selecting that NPOP20, click on the OK button. You can see after clicking OK button, some new pages has been opened on your screen, and one more dialog box is appearing on that screen. It is asking, do you want to edit the system definition? Then it is your choice that you can choose either OK or cancel. So I am choosing cancel it. No issue, you can choose anything. It doesn't affect anything regarding our functioning. Now we will do a ladder programming for AND gate. So for AND gate we have to connect two NO switch in series connection. So for first switch, go to the top menu. You can see there NO switch is available, option is available. We have to select that one. So a place where you have selected to place the NO switch, that NO switch will be bring there, and then after we have to nomenclate it. And there is the proper standard guidelines how we can nomenclate any switch. For that we have to do any alphabetical order. We can any alphabet letter we can take. I am taking X. After writing this alphabet, this is important how we have to nomenclate it, how we have to address it. That is 0.1. This is must 0.1, or you can start from 0.0, but always remember 0. That is necessary, that is compulsory. Then I have selected, I have written X 0.1. After addressing, I will click either double click or the OK button. Now you can see on my blank sheet paper, one NO switch is programmed. As I have already told you that I have to create AND logic gate, so my requirement is 2 NO switch. So one more NO switch I have selected and follow the same procedure, X 0.2, because I have taken another switch. After that I need one output so that I can see the result of that. So from you can see there on the top that F6, this is the output, normal output. You can see there at the just outmost right side there. Here also we have to take care of the nomenclature, how you have to nomenclate. Generally we take starting letter of that output nomenclature is basically 1, but Y. After that we have to be careful, as we have careful in switch selection. After that 0.11, you can start 10 also, but 0.11 means after decimal 2 digits are required. That is the necessity of the output nomenclature. Then press OK button. Then you can see that our 2 switches and 1 output is. You can see that after clicking on PLC operation, one dialog box is open. There lot of option is showing, but we have to select load PLC. and when you click on the load PLC, one more dialog box will be open. There also more selection is boxes is given, but we don't need to interfere any selection. Just click on load PLC and wait for few seconds. After few seconds, one more dialog box will be open and it is asking about yes or no. We have to select yes, and you can see that the run is now green highlighted. So it means our virtual PLC is embedded in this ladder system. Then now we have to click on monitor. Yes, that green arrow is monitor. By doing this, one hypothetical power supply is given to this board where we can verify our AND gate. You can see the logic. When one input is on, we can on the switch by just clicking double click, and we can set the state of that switch either on or off. We have to on it, then we have to click on that. One switch is on, but still output is 0, that is off. Again we can off this switch and on another one, second one switch, but no effect on output. Then the last condition or cases of AND gate, that is when both switches are on, then we have to look over that. Now you can see that when both two switches are on, our output is 1. So this is the case study of AND gate, and this is the example of AND gate, how AND gate work. So thank you for this. In this way we have to open any program or any in this way we have to open new project and do any circuiting in this way. Thank you.